Hey guys, hope everybody is doing great today. We're going to be making a sub. I don't have the cheese out, but we're going to be making a meatball sub, and we're going to make a big one and then cut it up in little pieces. And should be pretty cut and dry. It's a pretty simple recipe. You can make your own meatballs and everything. I just bought these because I figured this would feed us for at least a couple of days, just the pieces off of it. So we will get everything going and come right back. Alright guys, I have the meatballs on. I've got the sauce in there with them. I've got it on low and slow so it can absorb the flavors better. It's going to taste better. I'm going to let it cook for a while, and then once it gets cooked, then we'll take and put them on the bread, and then we'll take and put the bread and everything in the oven, and everything should turn out awesome. Alright guys, while the meatballs are getting up to temperature, we're going to take and hollow out the top of this a little bit so that when we close it, the meatballs will fit in there better. Then cover the bottom with cheese, and then once the meatballs get done, we'll put it on there. Alright guys, we got the meatballs done, so I'm going to take and start dipping them out here, and we'll transfer them over here. Get some of the sauce so it mixes in good. Looks like I might have some left. Looks like a couple of the meatballs got a little warm on the bottom, but that's alright. Straighten these out here. Looks like we're gonna have some extra meatballs, but hey, that's always a good thing. Alright, that's looking good. Let me put another layer of cheese and we'll be right back. Alright guys, there she is. All we got to do now is close this down. We're going to take and toss it in the oven at 350 for about 10-15 minutes. However, start to turn brown this, get the cheese melted. Everything should be really good. Alright guys, she's done. Everything's toasted up, cheese is melted, ready to go. All I've got to do is slice it up and serve it. Hope everybody has a great day, and see you next Wednesday.